Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am here to deliver the lecture of 10th class chemistry. Lecture number 19. Chapter name is Organic Chemistry. Last day we have learned about the formula of organic compounds. There were 4 types: molecular formula, structural formula, condensed formula, electronic formula, that is dot and cross formula. 2 types we have learnt already. Now third type is condensed formula. What is the definition of condensed formula? The formula that indicates the group of atoms joined together to each carbon atom in a straight chain or branch chain is called the condensed formula. Group of atoms joined with carbon atom. If 3 hydrogen atoms are attached with carbon atom, then this is one group. If 2 hydrogens are attached with one carbon, then it is another group. For example, N-butane. In N-butane there is straight chain structure. In butane there are 4 carbon atoms and each carbon can make 4 bonds, single bond. Now in N-butane structure, H3C, bond CH2, bond CH2, bond CH3. First group of atom, carbon has 3 hydrogen atoms. In second group, carbon has 2 hydrogen atoms because other 2 bonds are attached with carbon atoms. Atomic number of carbon is 6. 2 electrons are present in first shell. 4 electrons are present in outermost shell. Now carbon can make 4 bonds with other atoms. In CH3, carbon is making 3 bonds with hydrogen atoms and 4th bond with carbon atom. In CH2, carbon is making 2 bonds with 2 hydrogen atoms and other 2 bonds with carbon atoms. Now in isobutane, one branch is there. This is not straight chain, this is branch chain structure. CH3 bond CH, bond CH3, and down the CH there is also CH3. Central carbon atom is attached with the 3 carbon atoms with single covalent bond. Now 4th bond is remaining. 4th bond is connected with hydrogen atom, single hydrogen atom. Now this is the structure of N-butane and isobutane. This is condensed formula in which group of atoms are joined together to each carbon atom. Now 4th kind is electronic formula or dot and cross formula. Dot and cross formula you have learnt in 9th class already in Lewis structure diagram, showing the outer electrons with the help of dot and cross, one element with dot and other element with cross. This is known as dot and cross formula or Lewis structure diagram. The formula which shows the sharing of electrons between various atoms in one molecule of the organic compound is called dot and cross formula or electronic formula. Here is structure of first structure, propane, because 3 carbon atoms are present, and second structure is of N-butane, 4 carbon atoms are present. You have learned that carbon can make only 4 covalent bonds. Now, first carbon, 3 dots and 1 cross is present, and 3 hydrogen atoms are attached with first carbon atom. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. 1 electron is present in the outermost shell of hydrogen atom. Now here is 1 dot and 1 cross. This is sharing of electron, and covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing of electrons. Both carbon and hydrogen are sharing their outer electrons. Now this is dot and cross formula of N-propane and N-butane. This is a summary of formula of organic compounds. You have learned already that there are 4 types of formula: molecular formula, structural formula, condensed formula, and electronic formula. Here their definitions are written. Molecular formula represents actual number of atoms. Structural formula represents exact arrangement of atoms. And condensed formula shows group of atoms joined together to each carbon atom. And an electronic or dot and cross formula showing sharing of electrons between atoms to form a molecule. Here is all formulas are present of organic compounds starting from methane to decane. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. These names showing the presence of carbon atoms. In methane, there is only 1 carbon atom. In ethane, there are 2 carbon atoms. Carbon can make 4 single covalent bonds. 4 covalent bonds. So in methane, 4 hydrogen atoms are attached with 1 carbon atom. In ethane, there are 2 carbon atoms. So, with 2 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms are attached. By general formula CnH2n plus 2. With the help of this formula, you can write the hydrogen atoms with carbon atoms. In propane, 3 carbon atoms, and H2n plus 2, 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8 hydrogen atoms. In butane, 4 carbon atoms, pentane 5, hexa for 6, hepta for 7, octa for 8, nonane 9 carbon atoms, and decane deca for 10 carbon atoms. First molecular formula is written. In second column, condensed formula is written. There is each group that is attached with carbon atom. Group of atoms. Now last structural formula with the help of single bond by writing all carbon atoms in straight chain, and with single bond you can adjust all hydrogen atoms. Now topic has been completed. First topic, types of formula of organic compounds. Here is one activity for you. 3 formulas are written: methane, ethane, propane. There are structure of methane, ethane and propane. Using model 1, how many bonds does carbon always make in an organic compound? The molecules above are called hydrocarbons. What are the only elements that hydrocarbons possess? Draw a compound containing 4 carbon atoms. 3 questions for you. I am waiting for your answers. Who will be the winner? Please take one page or chemistry neat copy, write these 3 questions and with their answers, take photo and then send me. Allah Hafiz.